In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Discord not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you might be trying to message someone on Discord or just use it in any sort of way, whether you're in a call, screen sharing, anything like that, and you find it's not working on your PC, your phone, anything. Doesn't matter what you're using. Now, to fix this, the first thing you want to go ahead and try and do is just go ahead and turn on airplane mode, leave it on for like 5 seconds and then turn it off. Next thing is go over to your settings, then go ahead to general, then go ahead and find your iPhone storage. Now over here, look for Discord, and what we want to do is clear the cache. So what we want to do is offload the app. This frees up storage used by the app, but keeps its documents and data. And then just reinstall the application. You're still going to be signed in and everything, and then that should work. However, if it doesn't work right now, if you go over to your browser of choice, we want to go ahead and type in down detector like so, and we're going to go to down detector, the website. As you can see, there's a lot of outages right now. A few things are getting hit, but Discord is the biggest one that is currently getting hit. So if you go ahead and click on it, and we're going to see there is currently a massive spike in amount of reports. Like over 8,000 reports have just been reported in like the last few minutes, to be honest. And that basically means that Discord servers are down. So what you want to do is just keep checking this, because eventually Discord servers are going to come back up. Unfortunately, when Discord servers are down, there is no actual way to just make it work, because it's, down to them and not down to you. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.